Okay, guys, before starting the lecture, I just want to, discuss whatever we have already done in the last classes. Okay, because some of the
Yes, sir.
new students they have joined, right, guys? Okay, so we have already finished two topics, one topic on education and one topic on philosophy and education. Okay, so revisions as well as you will come to know concept. Okay, who will tell me about what is the concept of education? What do you mean by education? Yes, from all of you, what do you mean by education? Yes, anyone, please put your audio on, all of you. Please put your audio on. 5 minutes we will discuss the last what we have done. Okay, उसके बाद मैं आज का topic start करूंगा. Right? Define the education. Who will tell me about education? Yes.
It is a never-ending process of one's inner growth and development.
Absolutely, absolutely. It is a never-ending process of one's inner growth and development, right? Guys, it is a education, right, that makes us civilized, cultured, and well-behaved in the society, right? In fact, all the life is a education, right? I have given you the example. Education starts from the cradle and ends in a grave. Okay. Acha, okay. Who will tell me the three words from where the word education has derived? तीन कौन से वर्ड है जहां से एजुकेशन लिया गया है? Yes.
तीन वर्ड्स है, educate, educier and educator.
Absolutely, absolutely correct. Okay. Who will define the meaning of a educier? Educier. Yes.
To bring up.
Educier means to lead out, to draw out.
Educier means to lead out, to draw out. I request to all of you guys, listen me carefully. I request to all of you, when I'm delivering the lecture to you, so please you should have copy and pen, so that important point you can write on, right? Okay, so educier means to lead out,
And
Draw out.
draw out. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? The meaning of teaching, yeah, education is, it is not pouring into the mind of the student. The purpose of teacher, the activity of teacher is to bring out of the best. Okay, guys, you all are going to become a teacher, and being of a teacher, your work is arousing the learning power of the student, not pouring into the mind of the student, as the word educier हमें बताता है. ठीक हो गया? अच्छा, महात्मा गांधी की डेफिनेशंस कौन बताएगा? Yes. Okay. Define definition of Mahatma Gandhi. Anyone, all of you.
By education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best inside in man's body, mind, and spirit.
Right? देखिए गांधी जी कौन थे? गांधी जी was a educationist. Okay. Gandhi ji has given a beautiful definition on the education. What the Gandhi ji has said? Gandhi ji has said that by education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in child and man. Right? गांधी जी का भी मतलब यही कह रहे हैं कि भाई निकालना बच्चे में से और इंसान में से क्या क्या तीन चीजों पे फोकस किया,
बौद्धिक और आध्यात्मिक.
यस, आध्यात्मिक वे में, राइट, बॉडी के वे में, और स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट, बॉडी माइंड एंड स्पिरिट. ओके ओके गाइस, गुड. आई एम हैप्पी आप ना यू आर लर्निंग साइड बाय साइड आल्सो. ओके, सो टेल मी द डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्वामी विवेकानंद. ओके, स्वामी विवेकानंद ने क्या कहा है एजुकेशन में? यस.
education is the manifestation of divine perfection already existing in man.
अरे वाह, एब्सोल्युटली. देखो स्वामी विवेकानंद भी यही कहते हैं. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट, गाइस, लिसन मी केयरफुली. व्हाट द स्वामी विवेकानंद हैज सेड. Swami Vivekananda said that education is the manifestation of divine spirit already existing in a man. तो बच्चे आपको सबसे पहले ये समझना है गाइस, जो भी स्टूडेंट होता है उसके ऑलरेडी उसके अंदर वो डिवाइन परफेक्शन है. राइट? द पर्पस ऑफ टीचिंग, द मीनिंग ऑफ टीचिंग इज टू ट्राइंग आउट, निकालना. आपने अपने टीचिंग स्टाइल से, एग्जाम्पल से, आपकी फिलोसफिकल नॉलेज से, आपकी साइकोलॉजिकल नॉलेज से, आपकी टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस की नॉलेज से, राइट? गुड, ओके। टेल मी हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ एजुकेशन?
Three.
Three types.
Very
हाँ
good.
जी,
Good.
educator,
Name
educator and educator.
types of education.
Formal
Education.
education,
Formal,
informal education, and
non-formal, informal
non-formal.
education.
Yes, types of educations are formal,
Sir,
second,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Formal,
informal और तीसरी?
Formal and
Non-formal.
non-formal education.
Yes, good. Okay. Acha, who will tell only one difference between formal education and informal education? Yes. कोई बताए?
फॉर्मल है वो स्कूल,
बताओ कोई भी।
स्कूलों कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी में और में होती है, और वो चार दीवारों के अंदर ही सीमित है, जैसे कि स्कूल के अंदर, कॉलेज के अंदर, यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर।
ठीक
जो
है।
इनफॉर्मल है सर, वो किसी भी जगह में करवाई जा सकती है।
करवाई जा सकती है, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। ठीक है, जो फॉर्मल एजुकेशन होती है, इट इज गिवन इनटू द फोर वॉल्स, ठीक है ना? स्कूल कॉलेजेस के अंदर हमें प्रोवाइड की जाती है, राइट? और और स्ट्रक्चर्ड होती है फॉर्मल एजुकेशन, थोड़ी रिजिड होती है, राइट? व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द इनफॉर्मल एजुकेशन, informal means you can get from anywhere, right, guys? Okay, so don't think that ki only you get the knowledge, you get the information from the school, right guys? Because
Yes.
आज से 150 साल पहले तो कोई स्कूल ही नहीं था, okay? So don't think that. There are so many institutions, educational institutions. You can get from the mosque, you can get education from church, you can get education from Gurdwara, any educational institution, school, college. These all are the educational institution. Okay. Okay. Tell me any 5 characteristics of education. Yes. कौन-कौन से 5 characteristics हैं education के, या nature of education क्या है, बताइए. Yes.
Lifelong process.
Lifelong process.
हाँ.
Bipolar process.
Multipolar process.
Tripolar process.
Okay.
Multipolar process.
Bipolar, multipolar, lifelong,
Deliberate process.
Okay.
Sociological.
जो सबसे important point है वो किसी ने नहीं बोला. I want to
tripolar है.
इसके अलावा
It is a child-centered process.
Absolutely. किसने बोला ये? फादर मार्टिन ने बोला है. Okay. Clapping for the फादर मार्टिन. Everybody. First of all, everybody clap for the father Martin. Guys, always remember, education is a child-centered process. It is the one of the main point, right? जो भी है, whatever the infrastructure, whatever the class, it is whatever the teachers, we all from the student. Student is not bound for the education. Okay, being of a teacher, we have to go according to the level of the student, according to the attitude, according to the aptitude of the student, right? So education, in a real sense, it is a child-centered process, or it should be child-centered process, right? And you have seen जिन स्कूल और कॉलेजेस के अंदर एजुकेशन में बच्चों की सुनी जाती है, ओके, स्टूडेंट्स आर गिवन प्रायोरिटी, तो उनमें उसमें आपने देखा होगा कि उनके रिजल्ट्स, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, मतलब यू गेट, यू नो, ओके. How education is a tripolar process? Okay, define. Anyone? How education is a tripolar process?
Teacher teaches the student in the light of the society.
Right. And scope of education में whatever we have done, that comes under the scope of education. Okay. ये 19th lectures को था जो हमने discuss किया. Next we talk about, 26th, on 26th को, last week we discuss about the philosophy and education. Okay. So guys, tell me what is philosophy? Okay. Who will define philosophy?
Philosophy is derived from the 2 words.
Philosophy is derived from the 2 words. Okay.
Yes.
That is Sophia and
Philos and Sophia. What is the meaning of philos and what is the meaning of Sophia? Yes.
philosophy means
Philo
love.
is
Sophia means
means
wisdom.
knowledge.
and Sophia means wisdom.
Wisdom. तो मीनिंग क्या हुआ फिलोसफी का? बिल्कुल ठीक है.
Love for
Love
knowledge.
of wisdom.
Love of wisdom.
Wisdom. Very good. Okay. Philosophy means love of wisdom. Guys, I just want to tell you here. Okay. जो टीचर होता है ना, who is teacher? Okay. लिख लो if you have the notebook. Okay. Teacher is a friend. Teacher is a philosopher, and teacher is a guide. Right? Teacher should be friend, philosopher, and guide. Okay, if you are a not good philosopher, right, तब भी आप ना better teaching नहीं करवा सकते हैं. Okay, you have to learn about, you know, all the philosophy. Okay, only then you can, you know, convey your message into the mind of the student, or you can, you know, stimulate the learning power of the student if you are a good philosopher, if you are a good psychologist, if you have the teaching learning process, teaching techniques. Okay, जो हमारे बीएड के सिलेबस के अंदर हैं, ये हमारे जो 7 पेपर हैं, इनमें हम डिस्कस करेंगे. राइट गाइस? ओके, टेल मी व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्लेटो. क्या थी? ओके, प्लेटो ने किसको कहा था कि कौन फिलोसोफर होता है? यस
सर वो व्यक्ति ज्ञान को तैयार रखता है, जो खलित क्या जो करने
ओके, फिलोसोफर कौन होता है? हु इज ए फिलोसोफर? फिलोसोफर इज ए वन who has a taste of every sort of things and never satisfied and curious to learn more, called philosopher. Okay, so being of a teacher, aapko, you should always appetite for the knowledge, right? Every day you have to get some knowledge in your mind, only then you can teach better. Okay, so you should be appetite for the knowledge. Okay, nature, characteristics of philosophy and need of philosophy for teachers. टीचर के लिए फिलॉसफी क्यों जरूरी है? हाउ द फिलॉसफी इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द टीचर. व्हाई द फिलॉसफी इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द टीचर? यस, क्यों जरूरी है?
Students.
टू नो द स्टूडेंट. यस, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, बहुत बढ़िया पॉइंट बोला. ओके, if you don't have the knowledge of a philosophy na, you cannot, you know, come to know what is going on into the mind of the student. Okay, to know the subject first. Guys, याद रखना, टीचिंग जो है, it comes later on. First of all, you have to understand the mind of the student. Okay, उसका लेवल क्या है, उसके माइंड में क्या चल रहा है, उसका एटीट्यूड क्या है, उसका एप्टीट्यूड क्या है, राइट, फ्रॉम विच फैमिली ही हैज कम, उसका आईक्यू लेवल क्या है. तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टूडेंट. टीचिंग इट कम्स लेटर ऑन. ओके, if you don't know about your student, if you don't know about the subject and you start teaching, so there is no use of that. Okay, teaching kya hoga? When there is a teaching, there should be a learning. Okay, when there would be a learning, there would be a modification of the behavior. Right, ye hum paper 3rd mein karenge, jo hamara teaching learning process hai. Right? Okay, tell me scope, areas ya kinds of philosophy. How many types of philosophy? kitne tarah ki hoti hai? Yes, 3. Yes. Okay, name them.
metaphysics, epistemology, and
Axiology.
Ideology.
Right, metaphysics, epistemology and axiology. Okay, metaphysics का क्या मीनिंग है? Yes, और
Theology of reality.
reality.
ਰੱਬ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਸੰਸਾਰ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਮਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਅਰਥ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਹੈ. ਜੋ ਵਾਸਤਵਿਕਤਾ ਹੈ, ਥਿਊਰੀ ਆਫ ਰਿਐਲਿਟੀ ਹੈ,
राइट. मेटाफिजिक्स थ्योरी ऑफ रियलिटी या वास्तविकता की बात करती है. ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एपिस्टेमोलॉजी? एपिस्टेमोलॉजी टॉक्स अबाउट theory of knowledge. Or axiology talks about theory of
Values.
Right. The most important question is, what is the relationship between philosophy and education? Yes. Okay, tell me, what is the relationship between philosophy and education?
It is
Closer interrelated.
इंटररिलेटेड है. और रोस ने बोला था ROSS, रोस की
Same.
डेफिनेशन. Yes, okay,
They
tell
are
me.
two sides of the same coin.
Absolutely, philosophy and education are the two sides of the same
coin.
Okay, अब यहाँ पे I want to ask you one question. Tell me, philosophy theory है या education theory है, और या philosophy practical है? Philosophy theory और education क्या है?
Education से practical
side of philosophy है. Absolutely correct.
Education is a means.
Education is a means. You know, education is a means. So whatever you have the philosophy, education is a means to, you know, उस philosophy को आगे तक लेके जाए. Right? Educational philosophy क्या होता है? What is educational philosophy? Yes. एजुकेशनल फिलोसफी गाइस होता है
ਜੋ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਪ੍ਰਕਿਰਿਆ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਦੇ ਖੇਤਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਲਾਸਫੀ ਦੇ ਸਿਧਾਂਤਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਚ
बिल्कुल एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। एजुकेशनल फिलोसफी का मीन्स होता है जो हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, इट इज ए फुल ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स।
उसको बेहतर बनाने के लिए
यस, उस प्रॉब्लम को व्हेन वी सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिलोसफी, इट इज कॉल्ड एजुकेशनल फिलोसफी। आपने भी आंसर बिल्कुल ठीक दिया है, ओके। और लास्ट में है फिलोसफी ऑफ एजुकेशन। ये ऑलवेज क्वेश्चन आता होता है, फिलोसफी ऑफ एजुकेशन क्या है? व्हेन वी ड्रा आउट any philosophy from the educational institution is called philosophy of education. ठीक है guys? तो ये तो हमारा था, it is all about whatever the lectures we have done already in previous Sundays. Okay, today I will discuss about idealism. Okay, now in your exams there are, you know, 4 ism: idealism, naturalism, pragmatism or realism, right? तो हम आज today what we will do, आइडियलिज्म के अंदर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टॉक अबाउट मीनिंग एंड हिस्ट्री ऑफ आइडियलिज्म, ओके, राइट। सेकंड वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मेजर बिलीफ या फैक्ट्स ऑफ आइडियलिज्म। उसके अंदर फैक्ट्स ऑफ आइडियलिज्म के अंदर देयर आर 3 थिंग्स, वन इज मेटाफिजिक्स, वन इज एपिस्टेमोलॉजी, वन इज एक्सियोलॉजी। मींस व्हेन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मेटाफिजिक्स, तो बेसिकली हम what we are going to do, we are talking about what would be the metaphysics according to the idealism, right guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. When we'll talk about epistemology, then we will discuss about what would be the epistemology according to idealism, and similarly zoology according to the idealism, okay? So this is the most important. First of all, you should know that what is going on in another 35 minutes and 40 minutes, okay? You should know, okay, these things are going on. We will discuss one by one, okay? So this thing should be clear to you. Today we will discuss about meaning and history of idealism, major belief of idealism. Number 3 के ऊपर we will discuss about educational implications of idealism, and under the educational implications again we will cover the 3 things: aims of education, curriculum and methods of teaching. Okay, means what should be the aim of education according to the idealism, number 1. Second, we will discuss what should be the curriculum. Curriculum means syllabus, okay, what should be the syllabus according to the idealism. And third, we will discuss what would be the method of teaching according to the idealism, right guys? So in this lecture we will discuss these all the things regarding the idealism. Okay guys.